So today's video is going to be a day in my life, and I've been up for a while. I've just been sitting here editing my video, so I look really rough, but we're just gonna deal with it. So it's like 9 o'clock, and usually I wake up pretty early because I hate waking up late. I just feel like I don't accomplish as much. So I woke up at like 7, and I've just been editing since then. And right now I'm gonna go eat breakfast and get ready because I'm going out with my friends to go shopping. And then later I'm going to my uncle's birthday party. So I hope today is interesting for the vlog. I also need to clean my room because if you have ever filmed a video, it is crazy how messy it gets. My room was so clean yesterday. There's just like stuff all over the place. So annoying. So I have to clean that up. Is there a dog? There's another dog. I'm so excited. Doesn't Beauty's growl sound so much bigger than it is?
He's scared. Yeah.
Where's the other dog?
She's at my house. I want to bring her to the beach.
It's so cute.
No. It's big.
So Maddie got me a bagel. I'm just gonna toast it and put cream cheese on it. I just finished eating, and now I'm gonna take a shower real quick and then get ready to go with my friends. I have an hour to get ready. I feel like I'm gonna run out of time anyway, so I'm gonna mob. It's 9:56. Let's see how fast I can take this shower in. 10:07. So that was 9 minutes. This should be the thumbnail. I look like... What? Why is it sideways? I'm gonna get dressed. See you in a second. Just brush my hair, and then while I do my makeup, I'm gonna have my hair dry a little bit more so I won't have to use the blow dryer as much. As you can see, my room is a mess. We've already established that. Okay, so I'm gonna move this. We're gonna play some music.
Why is it?
It doesn't say
Run it up.
Fuck, Reece.
Go out of the window to this.
When you see me pull up in your drive,
Do you wanna go downtown?
I know what's going on.
And you're beautiful.
Baby, don't be make you wanna let your head down. Play a little truth or dare now. Act just like you don't care now. Girl, I come around. Tell me now what you want. Stay up to the sun. Howl at the moon.
Where are we going?
The cheesecake.
Who are you?
What?
Are you camera shy?
Yeah.
This is Jacob. He
My
thinks
nose
he's cool
is-
because he wears Palace.
My nose is too big. That's why I don't want to be on.
Oh my god, calm down.
Palace.
He thinks he's cool because he wears Palace. What's your
Not. Name's Diana.
name? Fun fact.
70% of the earth is ocean.
I thought it was like 90.
70. Bruh, really? You didn't know that?
We all live on an island.
No, we don't.
Oh my god, I'm kidding. Technically you do that. The continents are islands.
Yeah.
Look how cute. Okay, so Diana had to go back to work. Or wait, I don't even know. She's going shopping even more. But we're just at Krispy Kreme. I need to go to the gym too.
Jim, you work out?
Yes?
Doing what?
Legs, shoulders,
Oh,
abs. I'm offended. Welcome to my crib.
We can make this time. I thought back.
So we're touring houses right now, and we're in this one, and it's so pretty. I'll show you guys from the front door. So I love the tile. It's like very Spanish themed. And this is what it looks like on the outside. There's the staircase. I love the wrought iron. That's one of my favorite things. And then you can instantly see the backyard. But if you go over here, it's a little like mother's quarters. So what it is there'll basically be like a door right here that separates it. So you can either make it like where your in-laws could live, or you could just make it like a guest bedroom. I love whoever designed this. They did a really good job of the home decor thing. But yeah. Over here, and there's like the dining room. And here's the kitchen. I love the kitchen. It's so pretty. Nice stove. And I think it's really interesting. Like, it's like gray on gray, but it works. It's really cute. There's a wine cellar. This fridge is bigger than my mom. Look. And then over here, there's a microwave. And then, I don't know what this is. I honestly don't. And then there's like an espresso machine, because they're that extra. Guys, could you imagine me doing a morning routine in this house? Like, that's not even like half the counter and you can't even see me. And then the floors, look at the floors. How cute. This house is just like aesthetically pleasing. So the loft was too big, so they put an island in the middle of it. How pretty. And then you get a little overview. And then, so like the other bedrooms are over there. And I won't show you those because they're just bedrooms. But then over here is the master. So first thing you go is to the, oh my god, look how pretty. So pretty. I love that color. Oh, it's so pretty. The John. A shower that can fit, I would say, at least 3 people. One person could sit there, there. It's like a sauna, you know. And my favorite thing ever, the shower head above. Makes the shower so much nicer.
Oh, wow.
How many people do you think could fit in that shower? 5?
10, 15.
Look at the master closet. That is for your shoes. Your Louboutins. Oh my god. This is so big. Guys, it's the fancy drawers where you just...
Janet. Janet.
It's for your jewelry. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Mom sold. She likes it. Mom.
And so strong, and I'll buy this.
You're funny.
Please ask me if you want to.
So we're at the next house.
Oh, there's a little bit of training left.
Oh, how pretty.
How much is that?
I don't like the theme. Oh my god. There's a wine room. What the heck? How can anyone have this much wine, honestly? I really don't understand what a wine room is for. I don't even know what that is. I think it's a microwave. Or something. Wait, no, that's the microwave. Maybe it's a special microwave. It's very interesting. This is cool though. Like the windows all open up. So we're in another one and this is the backyard. Check that out. How cool would that be to have like all your friends around the fire? Like have a party and just entertain. Put some Barbies on the grill. And then our house has these right now. These are really cool. You just like push them back and they all go back. Check out this island. How big? And then the kitchen comes back over here.
It's a third fridge because she wants a third fridge.
The clean kitchen and the dirty kitchen.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
There's another kitchen, guys. What?
Yep.
That's so cool.
Have dirty and clean kitchens.
Hey guys, so I'm home now from visiting the model homes, but yeah, me and my family are about to go to the Christmas party, but we have, or the white elephant party, but we have a little bit of time, so I'm just gonna clean my room real quick because this is really bothering me. Also, sorry I forgot to show you guys earlier, but I was in such a rush. I was running so late, but I just did my makeup. I don't love it, but you know, it looks decent. I messed up because I was in a rush and I put mascara on and my mascara is like drying out, so it's clumpy and it look like shit, so oh well. Okay, so we're done. I just need to like make the bed real quick and put the chair back, but we're pretty much done and it's perfect timing because we're about to leave. Oh my god, my family's so extra.
Yeah! Oh, that's so cute. Oh,
At least my teeth look really white.
I told you that there was ice cream.
Rachel!
Hey, Reece and I have the same hair now. They look like
I know. You look like one of my friends that have black hair.
I love y'all. I saw Peyton last week and everyone thought we were twins.
My lips are black because of this. Yeah, Maddie's really cute. You're disgusting. Stop. Mine's completely gone.
You look like some.
Did you see the one where
Lakota.
his punishment was to go to the baseball stadium before, and it was set up already with one of the professional baseball players, the pitcher for the for the Mets.
Say hi.
Already knew. And
hey guys, so I'm editing this right now and I just realized that I don't have any outro footage, which is weird because I remember filming some, so I think I might have accidentally deleted it. But I just wanted to say I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.